So far, I love my Ledger Flex. I think it's a really cool device. I think it's some really cool technology, and I think it's going to make using a cold storage wallet easier for some people. Let me get that out of the way. On screen right now, you will see a photo of my trans-dimensional Fox NFT. I call him Larry. Hi, Larry. However, there is one thing that's bothering me about the Flex, and actually something that is kind of bothering me about the stacks as well. And guys, if you are interested in picking up one of the new Ledger devices or any of the Ledger devices, feel free to use the link in the description below. You get a $10 kickback, I get a $10 kickback, it helps us both out, and it's a win-win situation. Now back to the video. So here are the top 3 Ledger devices that Ledger sells. I did steal this from Crypto Dad's YouTube channel because quite frankly it is easier to show everything lined up exactly the same way, and I don't own a stacks, and having it from their website would not look the same. So here we go. So the thing that's really bothering me, and I get it, it's not going to be a problem for most people. I'll be honest, it's not even a huge problem for me. But to me, it's the principle of the thing. It's the amount of storage that is on these new devices, especially for the price you're paying for them. The Ledger Nano X is $150, and on times you can get it on sale or special through the Ledger website for less. And it's able to put on a decent amount more on there compared to the other two. If you compare my Ledger Nano X and my Ledger Flex, I tried to put the exact same apps on both of them. I was unable to do so. There was 6 apps that would not fit on my Ledger Flex. To me, that's disappointing. Then I ended up taking a look at a couple other people's YouTube videos. Crypto Dad, again, great channel, highly recommend. He put an explanation out there saying it's because of the coding, technology, yada yada yada. Storage in today's day and age is extremely cheap. Extremely cheap. If you're selling a device for $400, if you're selling a device for $250, you should be able to get at least a little bit more storage on there. You should be able to at least match your old premium device. It's just my opinion. Like I said, small issue. For me, in my private wallet, I have, I think, 3 cryptos linked to that one, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I want to say I have some Solana on that wallet. And then in my public portfolios, I think right now I have Cardano, Solana. I don't think I have any XRP in that wallet at this point in time. So, like I said, it's not a huge problem, but I like keeping the other apps on there because a lot of my friends deal with other currencies, and if they owe me money, if they need to send me stuff, it's nice being able to just take it no problem and then easily be able to transfer it out into something that I want and not have to uninstall, reinstall certain apps. Again, personal issue, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think this is an issue? Do you not think it's an issue? Do you think J Money should just chill out and enjoy his brand new crypto wallet? Let me know in the comment section below. With that being said, take care, spike your hair, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.